A day full of simple English phrases. Hi. My name is John, and I want to share my day with you. Today, I will show you how I use some common English phrases in my life. These phrases are easy to learn and very useful. Let's start. I am cool. This morning, I got a phone call from my friend Mike. He said, "Hi John. How are you today?" I replied, "I am cool. How about you?" What does I am cool mean? It means I feel good. I am happy, relaxed, and everything is fine. It is a casual and fun way to say, I am fine. Mike laughed and said, "I am cool too. Let's meet later at the park." You can use I am cool when you feel good, happy, or relaxed. It's perfect for talking with friends. Just getting by. After breakfast, I went outside to get some fresh air. I saw my neighbor, Mr. Green, watering his garden. He always takes good care of his flowers. I waved and said, "Good morning, Mr. Green. How is it going?" He smiled and said, "Oh, good morning, John. I'm just getting by." What does just getting by mean? It means you are okay. Life is not amazing, but it is not bad either. You are managing and doing fine. I said, "That's good to hear, Mr. Green. Your garden looks beautiful today." You can say just getting by when someone asks, "How are you?" and you are feeling okay. So. At school, I saw my friend Sarah. She was sitting alone on a bench. She looked a little tired. I walked over to her and said, "Hi Sarah. How are you?" She sighed and said, So. What does so mean? It means you feel okay, but not great. Maybe you are tired, or maybe your day is not very exciting. I said, "I hope your day gets better, Sarah. Let me know if you need anything." You can use so when you don't feel happy or sad. It is a way to say, I am okay, but not very good. I am doing well. In class, my teacher asked everyone, "How are you today?" When it was my turn, I stood up and said, "I am doing well, thank you." What does I am doing well mean? It means you feel good, and everything is fine. It is polite and formal, so it's perfect for school, work, or when you talk to your teacher or boss. My teacher smiled and said, "That's wonderful, John. Keep up the good work." You can use I am doing well when you want to sound polite and respectful. I have been keeping out of trouble. After school, I went to visit my uncle. He was reading a book in the living room. He looked up and said, "Hey, John. How have you been?" I smiled and said, "I have been keeping out of trouble." What does this mean? It means I have been behaving well. I am not doing anything wrong or getting into problems. My uncle laughed and said, "Good to hear, John. Always stay out of trouble." You can use this phrase when someone asks how you are, and you want to say you are doing fine and behaving well. Can't complain. Later, I called my friend Lisa. She answered and said, "Hi John. How's everything?" I replied, "I can't complain." What does this mean? It means everything is fine. You don't have any big problems, so there's nothing to complain about. Lisa said, "That's good to hear. Let's catch up soon." You can use can't complain when life is okay, and you don't have any serious issues. Not bad. At dinner, my dad asked me, "John, how was your day?" I said, "Not bad." "What does this mean?" It means my day was okay. It was not perfect, but it was not bad either. It is a casual way to say you are fine. My dad nodded and said, "I'm glad to hear that, John." You can use not bad when someone asks how your day was, and you want to say it was fine. Keep up the good work. After dinner, I showed my mom my math homework. She looked at it carefully and said, "Wow, John. You did great. Keep up the good work." What does this mean? It means I should continue doing well. It is encouragement to keep trying hard and doing my best. I smiled and said, "Thank you, Mom. I will do my best." You can use this phrase to motivate someone who is doing well to keep going. Keep me posted. At night, my cousin sent me a message. He said, "I have a basketball game tomorrow." I replied, "That's exciting. Keep me posted." What does this mean? It means I want him to tell me what happens. I want updates about the game later. He replied, "Okay, I will tell you everything." You can use keep me posted when you want someone to share news or updates with you. Have a good journey. Before bed, I saw my dad packing his suitcase. He is traveling tomorrow for work. I said, "Have a good journey, Dad." What does this mean? It means I hope he has a safe and happy trip. It is a kind and polite way to wish someone good travels. My dad smiled and said, "Thank you, John. I'll call you when I arrive." You can use have a good journey when someone is going on a trip.